In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Google Chrome profile specifically tailored for your Google Workspace account. This can help you keep your work and personal browsing activities neatly separated, while also giving you quick access to everything you need for your job. It's not only efficient, but a great way to stay organized as well. Let's get started. First, you'll want to look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. There, you should see a small icon that usually displays either your picture or an avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to managing different profiles, which is particularly useful if you have multiple Google accounts you flip between during your day. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a small menu will appear, giving you several options. You want to select Add or Manage Profiles. With this choice, you can create an entirely new profile on your browser. This is crucial because it allows you to set up an exclusive browsing space for your Google Workspace activities. After you've selected Add or Manage Profiles, another window will prompt you to add a new profile. Click on Add. Now in this next window, you're presented with a few options. Go ahead and choose Continue without an account. The importance of this step lies in the fact that you don't need to associate a new profile with an existing Google account right away. Instead, this option lets you create a